Sige daw.
Mga scene lang.
Thank you.
Di ba?
On your end, so I commend you for that. The improvement is there. And then for this one, like it's also noticeable, diba? Like line graph, of course, you say at the beginning, yung line, broken line siya, but my emphasis on 10.02. So you can say that there's not much difference, right? Since 2006 to 2021. So if walang major difference between the beginning of the year and the end of the year, then focus tayo dito sa may drop yung 2009. So, yeah, and then emphasize the 10.2 increase only, right? And then that's it. And for this one naman, it's a flow chart. So, you have, okay, so if parang yun kasi yung weakness mo, describe image and retell lecture. So, instead of doing everything sa section-wise, so try doing only describe image and retell lecture. And then send me the screenshot of that. Well, like, even if it's long, it's short, or complicated, I think you've found your rhythm. Like, you know exactly how to memorize it, and even if you don't get all the words, you're still able to like say it like as fluent as possible. So, but I can see na whatever image you are presented, you can say it as fluent as possible. So that's really good. So for this one, this is really challenging. We don't, even I would have a problem. Um, na may plastic, ano.
Nara.
Thank you.